Hey everyone, Nut Free Mama here. Today I'm going to show you how to make keto sausage truffles. Okay, let's start off with our ingredients. First, you're going to need 1 pound of some kind of ground sausage. I picked the hot. You can pick whatever kind you like. 1/3 cup of flour substitute. I'm using Carb Quick. 2 eggs. 2 teaspoons of baking powder, and then 1 cup of any kind of shredded cheese that you like. And that's it. And then a little mini waffle maker. So let's go ahead and get started. Go ahead and plug in your waffle maker to heat it up. All right, while your waffle maker is heating up, go ahead and add everything to a large bowl, and we are just going to mix that all together with our hands. If you want to use gloves, you can. And you do not have to cook the sausage first. You want to leave it raw. Okay, that looks great. So next we are just going to spray our little mini waffle maker, and then I'm going to use this ice cream scoop to scoop out my sausage balls. You should be able to get 12, and we are just going to go ahead and put those on there for 4 minutes each. All right, my truffles are all done cooking, and I was able to get 10 of them. Now, it did take a little while because you do have to wait the 4 minutes for each truffle, but they look and smell amazing. I cannot wait to see what Taste Tester thinks. Hey, Taste Tester, have a little taste.
Okay. That's good.
Do you like it?
Yeah.
All right, everyone, come back and see us again. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Subscribe.
Bye.